Lakeside Trail. We're gonna go. God, so much more grip on this bike now. Oh, that board does not care about any of this either. She's bucking just a little bit though. So I'm going to open that fork up a little bit. I'm going to open it all the way. A little muddy through there. Not too bad. I got a little bit more range today. A little bit more range. A little bit of mud. Some of it's a little murky. There's water there that's not draining off. All good?
Yep.
There you go. Oh, muddy. Muddy and mucky. She's slippery today. We took a little detour there. Yeah.
Not good?
It's a little wonky, honestly. All right, we got a fun little bit of downhill.
Here?
Yep, right here. Yeah, turn in, take a right, and it's all downhill. And then you're gonna start climbing. Oop. It is good. Yeah, she does kind of want to buck me. Yeah. Oh, is it? I bet it is. Yeah, I see it. got a spider on my eye. Get out of here, spider. Alright. Let's do some climbing. Let's see what the Advent X climbs like. Okay. Not too bad. We'll stop right here, catch our breath. Oh man, what a view. What a freaking view. I don't know too many people who get to ride like this a lot, but it's honestly pretty amazing. And just, you get to sit here and you get to take in some nature. Sure is pretty. Let's get back to shredding. Shredding a little bit of gnar. Oh, yep, there we go. A little bit of gnar here. A little bit of gnar. Not a lot though, baby. Oh man. All these upgrades have really helped Schwinn. I just feel so much more confident on it now. All right, a little bit of a steep, kind of techy climb here. We're gonna punch up it. Pull the wheel. Oh boy. Here, getting to the climbing now. Getting to the climbing. I did not need this jacket today. Have a little downhill section here. It's not too bad. Yeah, dude. Down here. We're gonna go up and over. This bike is so much better. Here's the Mac Daddy clone right here. There we go, straight up these roads here. Last time, this hill almost got me. Uh-oh. There's a limb down here. I'm gonna get that up real quick. Oh, it's a big tree. Yeah, it's dead. Oh. All right. Woo. There's another fucking stick down right here. We're gonna go ahead and move these guys out of the way too. Folks, if you're riding these trails, try to help the locals maintain the slow down a little bit here. A little bit of brake. A little technical here. Oh, hey, watch out, mud up here. I want to stop like this and say something real quick. You know, we're out here, we're riding this trail, and this is a mountain biking channel, but it's first and foremost a health and weight loss channel, and I want you guys to see the struggles that I go through. I don't want you guys to see everything being extremely easy, because it's not. This shit's hard. My heart rate is still at 160 BPM. I got to the top of the hill with 175. It's not easy at all, you know, but it's worth it, because a year from now I'll be riding this trail and I'll be flying. This trail will be absolutely super simple, and nothing about it will get to me at all. So just remember, man, you know, if you're just starting out, give yourself a break, all right? You don't got to be the fastest guy down the trail, because you're faster than the guy that's sitting on the couch, you know? I want y'all to remember that. It's not about being super fast down the trail. It's not about setting Strava times. It's not about anything other than losing weight and simply having fun, you know? That's what this is all about, okay? I want you guys to go out. I want you guys to have a blast. I want you guys to ride. And I want you to ride at limit, you know? I want you to have fun, but I don't want you to overdo it. And I don't want you to hurt yourself, okay? Alright. This is the second part. I'm going down, baby. Don't have a whole lot of battery life. Don't have a lot of memory left. We're going back up Lakeside Trail now. Oh, Jesus Christ. Give me that drink here. There we go. It's going to be interesting to see how this trail flows backwards as opposed to forward. Good, damn, so my pants are all messed up. I hate that. You're on the trail. Pants got all messed up. Your chamois. You bikers know what I'm talking about. The chamois wedges. Whew. Oh man. I don't know if I have it in my gas tank to do this, but I'm finna fucking try. Guess I probably won't be able to ride trails for at least the rest of the week. Oh wait, open that fork up. That'll help out a little bit. Around here. Oh, dropper poke, baby. That's what we're doing. Getting a little nasty. Alright. Alright, shred. A little, oh baby. Oh. Oh. This here is gonna be a difficult start. Can I start back up on this hill? Or am I not falling down? There I can. I didn't remember this little section right here. That screwed me up a little bit. Remember what I told you though. Not every ride is perfect, man. Especially in these conditions. Rides are often not perfect at all. But here we go. We're gonna tighten up the fork just a little bit. We got her in granny. And we're just gonna ease our way up this. Oh, yep. There we go. Look at that. This is good. Did I lose a gear? No, I didn't. But she shifted, baby. All right. Almost made it up there. I'm pushing the bike. Hell, what did I do? Did I break something? All right, boys. This is the reality of doing stuff that really hasn't been done before. Sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes it needs some tweaking. So we'll say that the first trail ride for the Schwinn was both a, oh man, oh, 510s, no bueno in mud. We'll say that the first trail ride for the Schwinn was both a success and a failure. Well, the first ride was it wasn't a success, but well, it was a success and it wasn't a success. Downhill, the first loop of the trail was really good. The bike has a ton of grip, it's got a ton of travel now. She loves to go downhill. She eats that up now. The brakes work really good. I'm really happy with the overall performance of the bike. So I turned around to go back up the trail, and I went up a really specific part of the trail that's really punchy, really climby, and there's a lot of roots and there's a lot of mud right now too. So it's real slippery, and we're pretty sure that the free hub and the rear wheel broke. That's pretty much the only thing that's left stock on the bike is the dropper post and that rear wheel. So yeah, don't know. I don't think it's anything in the drivetrain. The Microshift worked pretty good, but yeah, I was fighting pretty hard to get up some gnarly stuff, and I'm a big dude. I put down a lot of power. So like I said, when you're doing something experimental, especially like a bike like this, you never really know what's going to happen. You know, there's no telling what that free hub back there is made out of. And yeah, we were talking about it being the weak link of the bike anyway. So we'll build it back better than ever, and next time it'll fucking shred even harder. So until next time, see you guys later.